I know for sure, for me, I have one of these in my garage. I use it constantly. When it comes to detailing and cleaning certain parts of your car, or depending on the car you have, having the right tools to be comfortable while you do it is very important. So Adams Polishes is dedicated to offering the right products for that, such as our creeper seat. Now, this creeper seat is unique in the fact that you can sit on it to be more comfortable, especially for jobs like cleaning your wheels or polishing lower sections of your car. It makes it a lot easier. And this creeper seat's unique in the fact that the top portion of it actually comes off and goes onto the ground. Almost becomes like a miniature creeper seat, whether you want to use it as a knee pad or you want to fully sit down on it so you have a little bit more comfortability when it comes to polishing extremely low sections on a car. And when I said before, like depending on the type of car you have, some cars are bagged or the stance sits really low. So having something like this unique creeper seat really gives you the ability to be at different levels of your car to do those detailing jobs that otherwise might make you uncomfortable. Now, along with the seat being able to come off, it also has other features to it. Obviously the rolling and locking casters, but there's also 4 places for 16-ounce bottles to go in, or 12-ounce or 8-ounce bottles like your compound or polish. And it has even a nice little drawer right here that you can put ceramic coating applicators, you can put towels. Now, another thing with the creeper seat is not only can you use it for your detailing jobs, but it's also a great tool for around the garage. So if you're the type of person that has project cars, you're working on your cars all the time, this is something that makes those jobs comfortable as well. You can keep nuts and bolts, you can keep wrenches, all kinds of stuff inside of this. So not only for detailing, but a great creeper seat for around the garage in general. Now, the one thing about this creeper seat too that I really personally like is it doesn't take up a huge footprint. So this is something you can push to the side in your garage and it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. Another option for this detailing creeper seat to give that added extra comfort is the pad that can go on top. So it just sits on top, makes it a lot more comfortable. It's not the hard plastic, but it's more of a foam pad that sits on top. So whether you're sitting on it, it's gonna be extra comfortable, or when you take the top seat off, it makes using your knee on it even that much better. So the option for the pad that goes on top is really a great thing because it can, add that much more comfort to your detailing creeper seat. Now, Adams Polishes has previously sold creeper seats like this, but not one that you can remove the top. So I know for sure, for me, I have one of these in my garage. I use it constantly, mainly to clean my wheels, also polishing and ceramic coating. And I know that this can become a staple in your garage as well.